Okay guys, we are back with another video, and I'm really excited. You wanna know why? Because my mom just got me a pocket knife. It's not a skiff. Wish it was, but it's not, sadly. I'm gonna show you when I open the blade. It's not one of the flipping action knives. It's very difficult to open. But my pocket knife isn't like for self-defense. It's... Oh my god. I just had pizza, so my fingers are greasy. It's just opening packages. Where's the blade? It's a pretty nice knife. Got it for $8.99. I'm gonna show you the box in a minute. So, and I am back. Here's the price. See, that's a knife. What's the price thing? There it is. $8.99. Really? $8.99 for this nice pocket knife. That's what my mom bought me. She's like, no, you have to talk to your dad. I was like, so I am going to be doing a review on it. Here's how it closed. I just got it like a couple hours ago, so it's kind of hard to open and close. Here's it closed. It's about 1 ounce blade. It's about 1 ounce. 1 ounce, yeah. No, 1 ounces. There's 1 ounce right there. And she was like, you need to talk to your dad? I was like, no. And she was like, fine, which one do you want? Because I found this really nice field dressing one. And I was like, oh, I want that one. Can you get me it? And she's like, you're not getting that one. That one you're gonna, oh my god. She said, that one you're gonna have to talk to your dad about. So I was like, fine, I want the other one. She was like, okay. Because we were almost broke at that moment. She only had $11 on her, so she decided to get me this. She only had $11 on, and she got me this for $8. And bought some stuff at Dollar General. So, and I'm gonna carry this with me every day. My little package opening knife. I won't try to use it as a self-defense knife. Because like when we go hiking, fishing, and crap like that, I'll have it. It's gonna be part of my EDC. And there's that. Really nice blade. I'll show you how good it is in a minute. Not that straight, this. I'll show you. Let me stand up. Boom. Look. I'm going to show you where I want to cut it. Right here in this pant leg. No cuts. And this is after I cut it. As you can see, it's a very thin, nice cut. So, there's that. Like I said, I just got it a couple hours ago, so it's gonna be hard opening clothes. And so there it is. I'm gonna do a review on it.